Arcade is an interactive demo platform that transforms how teams collaborate. With Arcade, you can create, share, and refine engaging demos effortlessly, all while enhancing team productivity and communication. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about collaborating with your team. Let's get started. The first step in team collaboration is inviting others to join your workspace. To do so, click on your workspace name, then navigate to the Members tab. With Arcade, you can invite team members directly via email or share a unique invite link, making it easy for them to join your team. Note that the invite link will only work if the recipient's email matches the team domain. If you're inviting someone from a different domain, use their email address directly. Additionally, you can control privacy settings to ensure secure sharing on the Access and Privacy tab. This tab includes several options to customize your team's experience, such as setting default access levels for shared arcades, enabling or disabling team-wide commenting, and managing editing permissions. Next, you can connect Arcade to Slack. By doing this, you'll receive real-time updates whenever someone interacts with your demos, and automatically share published arcades across your team's Slack channels. To set this up, head to the Integrations tab, locate the Slack integration, click on Configure, and follow the steps. This integration is especially useful for go-to-market teams, keeping them informed about new products and features in real time. Enhance your team discussions with the commenting feature. Add feedback directly to specific sections of your demos, making collaboration not only clearer but also more actionable. To add a comment, select the step where you want to leave feedback. Click on the comments icon on the sidebar and type your comment. You can even tag specific team members, react to comments with emojis, and mark them as resolved once addressed. This feature eliminates the need for lengthy email threads and helps align your team quickly and effectively. With Arcade, you and your team can edit demos simultaneously, with changes updating in real time. This ensures everyone stays on the same page, reduces duplication, and saves valuable time. Keep your projects tidy with folders. Organize demos by client, campaign, or use case to ensure your workspace remains structured and easy to navigate. To create a new folder, click on your workspace name and select the drop-down menu. Folders are available for users on the Growth plan, and you can add as many folders as you need to keep your workspace organized. Growth users can also set branding specifics for folders by applying themes, which can automatically update the branding of arcades moved into the folder. While subfolders and folder-specific permissions aren't currently supported, these features are on the roadmap for future updates. Finally, when it's time to share, Arcade gives you powerful options. From public links for external sharing to embedding demos securely on your website, the platform is built to distribute your work effectively. Plus, every demo is a live asset, meaning updates sync automatically wherever the demo is shared. To explore the various sharing options in more detail, check out our dedicated video tutorial. And that's how you collaborate with your team in Arcade. From inviting teammates to sharing your work, Arcade is your ultimate tool for interactive, engaging demos. Ready to start collaborating? Visit arcade.software today.